Did you know that you can actually get paid hundreds of dollars every single day just to watch YouTube videos? We obviously know that you know that already. You just watch your favorite videos, and with our latest technique, though, you're gonna be able to make money for doing that. Now, we've made a lot of videos on earning by watching YouTube videos, but this one right here is a brand new one, and we're sure that you do not want to miss it. So, our method for today is actually gonna pay you $5 per video that you watch. And all you need to do is watch as many videos as you possibly can. And obviously your earnings are going to sync with how much videos you're watching every day. Now, the best thing about this is that you don't even need to watch the entire video. You just have to stay for at least 30 seconds, and then it's going to be credited and you can immediately start getting paid for that. All you need to do is watch like 10 videos a day, or maybe even 5, or as much as you possibly can. And that's literally $50 for 50 videos, and you can make almost $250 a day. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. As we all know, YouTube is literally one of the biggest, if not the biggest, entertainment platforms on the market. And, given the fact that you're watching videos right here, right now with our, YouTube video, we can say that you're obviously very familiar with how YouTube works. So we're not going to get into depth of how we work YouTube or what to do with YouTube, okay? That's not our focus. So in order to get paid from watching YouTube videos, first thing you're going to need to do is sign up for a YouTube account. If you don't have a YouTube account, but if you do, then you can skip this step. But if you don't, go ahead, sign up to YouTube with your Google account. It's super duper easy, and literally all you need to do is sign in with the Google account. You don't even have to create a Google account, because we're pretty sure you already have one. But if you don't, just make one. It'll only take you like less than 5 minutes. And make sure that you have a Google account and a YouTube account before proceeding. Now, after you've logged in on YouTube, and you need to click on the 3 bars on the top left corner of your screen. Now, clicking on these 3 dots is going to open a bunch of options, and from here you're just going to click on Explore, and this is going to lead you to the YouTube Explore page, where you're going to see all the main genres that YouTube offers. And out of all of these, you just need to select and click on gaming. Now, gaming is a very big genre that YouTube offers, and it gets billions of views like every single year, if not every month. And if you can see, somehow that when you start making money off of all the billions of viewers that this specific niche gets, you're going to be able to earn a ton in just a short amount of time. And now, once you've opened the gaming genre, you're going to have to figure out what game you want to focus on today. So we've always been into Minecraft, we've loved watching Minecraft videos. You could call us a fan. So let's just go with that for today's video. And also, you're going to notice that there are a lot of streams and games going on at the moment. So it's always like a really good thing to choose one with the greatest number of viewers. And this is just a little tip that's going to help you earn more money. And now that you've chosen a game, you are going to notice that there are like loads of live streams going on. And as you can see that with Minecraft, there's a big number of fans just watching those streams. Now this is incredible, because live streams let you really dive into the gameplay, and they're just very enjoyable to watch. They're super fun to watch. Now, we aren't here to talk about fun, okay? We're here to talk about making money. And if you want to do that, then let's just keep going. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So obviously, once you've chosen a game that you want to focus on, you're going to select a live stream that has a high or a really great number of viewers. And you can always choose one with a low number of viewers, but like we said, it's always best to start with a huge audience. So find one that has a huge audience. And once you have decided on a live stream, you can finally head on over to the chat and see if there are people chatting, if it's active, right? You know, there are active chat sections are always a great indicator of how many views a stream has. Now that you've made sure that the stream is worth the time and there's a lot of viewers, the chat is as active as it possibly can get, let's start making money, shall we? Now, our website that you have to open is 7r6.com, and you can open the site right now to just check it out. And what you'll see is that this site lets you shorten URLs for free. In fact, it does go one step ahead and actually pays you for every click your link gets. And with the correct video, you could get as much as $3. And that means that you can make like $150 just by shortening links of just 50 videos. And before you start worrying if this is going to be too much trouble, trust us, this is very easy. It's the easiest money making method ever that you're ever going to meet. So just go on over to 7r6.com, sign up for an account, and all that it really needs is very basic information. So like your username, your email, your password, and you can scroll below here to check all of their payment options. Now they have PayPal, they have Payeer. You can even choose to be paid through Bitcoin, WebMoney, and Perfect Pay. There are like a lot of options to choose from, but even if you don't have any of these, don't worry. Just go and sign up for a service of your choice. It'll take like less than 2 minutes of your time, and trust us, the rewards are gonna be so worth it. And now that you've made a payment account to cash in your earnings, it's finally time to log into 7r6.com and start earning. Now, when you sign up, you're going to see a dashboard with your earnings. And of course, it's all zero right now, but we're going to change all that in a sec. Alright, so at the topmost part, you're going to find a URL shortened tab. And all you're going to do is go to the live stream, copy the embedded URL for the video, and if you're on a laptop or a PC, you can do that by simply right-clicking on the video, copying the URL, but clicking the share button and copying the URL actually works across all devices, so you can do it on your phone or on your computer. And now that we have our URL, all you need to do is head over to 7r6, paste it into the shortened tab. You can also choose an alias, as we always say, add maybe your first name or something like that if you want to forward it to your family and friends. So that's what we have, okay? If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So since we have our very own unique URL, we can finally proceed to make money off of every click that our link gets. Now, there are strategies to maximize the number of clicks you get and the amount of money that you make. But, most channels, they don't really share that with you. But don't worry, not us, because, at Money Shark, we strongly believe that our subscribers, they deserve every single opportunity that they can possibly get. And we really want you guys to make the most money possible. Okay, we're not selfish like that. So what we advise you to do is that you're going to copy your shortened link, share it strategically. So if you're into games, it's impossible that you do not have a Steam account. And Steam discussion forums are a great way to get clicks from interested gamers. So you're going to go to the search bar and head on over to Minecraft forums, or you can literally just look it up on Google, right? Minecraft forums. And all the stuff for you to do is to, let people check out your link, attract people into clicking your link. And we've come up with the perfect template for that that's gonna let your viewers really be attracted to your link. So it's gonna be a little clickbaity, but that's what we need. So the best part of this is that you can actually use it for almost any gameplay live stream. So all you need to do is post your template with the links and just wait for the clicks to start pouring in. Now, before you relax, you still need to remember that this is a very easy job, and that it means you can easily maximize your earnings more than 10 times by doing the process all over again. But you have to remember, the more that they click, the more you can earn. So instead of you waiting for your first click, you should just go ahead, start increasing your chances. Go on another live stream, shorten another URL at 7R6, post it on another gaming forum that you can find. And before you know it, you're going to be earning more and more. It's basically all about strategy. What we showed you today is basically how to fish, and it's up to you to get the most fish that you can get. So that's basically all for today, and we're going to see you in the next one. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.